We all know that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, and this is why the oceans have been used for travel and the transport of goods from ancient times to the present day. You may have seen many large cargo ships in the ocean, which seem huge to us. But when the sea is in its full force, these ships are no more than toys.
That's God.
If you've ever experienced the thrill of traveling on these ocean ships, have you ever wondered how these massive vessels are kept stationary in the deep sea? An anchor chain is a vital component of an anchoring system used on ships, boats, and other maritime vessels. It consists of a series of interconnected links made of high-strength steel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of maritime engineering as we explore the incredible process behind forging giant anchor chains. These massive chains are essential for anchoring ships and offshore structures, and their production is a marvel of modern engineering. Let's get started. Anchor chains are the unsung heroes of the maritime world. Made from high-quality material, these chains must withstand harsh marine conditions, including strong currents, heavy loads, and corrosive saltwater. Now let's jump on the giant anchor chain forging process. The process begins with a selection of high-quality steel. The most commonly used material is low-carbon alloy steel, known for its excellent strength, toughness, and wear resistance. The steel must meet stringent standards to ensure it can endure the stresses of marine conditions, including corrosion and mechanical load. The metal that arrives at the factory is in the form of rods. These rods are first cut into specific shapes, determined by the required length and width of the anchor chain. After this process, raw materials undergo a thorough examination to assess their quality, dimensions, and adherence to specifications. This initial step acts as a vigilant gatekeeper, ensuring that the materials meet the required standards before progressing to subsequent phases of production. Now, when complete satisfaction has been achieved, the real process begins. The steel billets are heated in a furnace to temperatures between 1,200 and 1,300 degrees Celsius. This high heat makes the steel malleable, preparing it for the forging process. With the steel at the perfect temperature, it's time for forging. Using powerful presses and dies, the heated billets are shaped into the initial form of chain links. We now enter the stage of transformation. In this stage, the raw potential of individual chain links is unleashed through the alchemy of controlled heating and hammering processes. The precisely cut raw material undergoes a transformation by fire. In this fiery embrace, it yields to the shaping force of the hammer, controlled by intense heat, which increases the material's strength and durability. Forging is not an ordinary process. Controlled heating imparts malleability, allowing the metals to yield to the will of the hammer. But it doesn't end with one strike. Multiple stages of forging may be employed, each refining the strength and sculpting the material to achieve the desired shape and characteristics. The process does not end with forging. After forging, the journey continues to flash trimming, like a sculptor refining the contours of a masterpiece. This refinement ensures that each link emerges with clean edges, free from excess material. This step is not merely about aesthetics, but about meeting dimensional requirements. The excess material is carefully chiseled away, leaving a sleek silhouette of perfection. The anchor chain narrative unfolds further with crossbar machining, which contributes to the stability and strength of the anchor chain. Creating crossbars is a meticulous process. The crossbars, the backbones of stability, are either machined with intricate accuracy or forged with controlled force. Precise welding techniques then secure the crossbars to the chain links, ensuring structural integrity. Each weld contributes to the overall strength of the chain, enabling it to withstand the relentless forces of the sea. In the final stage, all components, from the meticulously trimmed chain links to the crossbars, converge. This stage demands careful alignment, which is not just a formality, but a necessity. Proper assembly techniques are the craftsman's signature, ensuring the end product is not just complete, but formidable, ready to face the challenges of the open sea. This is how anchor chains are mass-produced. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe for more captivating insights into the incredible processes that shape our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.